Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to cut transparent picture in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see cut transparent image picture. Now go into the file menu option. Then click. Now click for open option. Now select from transparent picture. Now click for open option. Now open that transparent picture. Then insert transparent picture. Now cut the picture. Now going to the rectangle tool. Now select part of picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl X. That is. Now you can see cut transparent picture in Photoshop document.